This is Teacher Cha. I'm your teacher in Mathematics Grade 6, and today we are going to discuss about how to evaluate algebraic expressions. First thing that we have to remember is that a variable is a letter, for example, x, y, or z, and it represents an unspecified number. So to evaluate an algebraic expression, we have to substitute a number for each variable and then perform its arithmetic operations. So how are we going to do that? For example, we have here an algebraic expression 6x plus y when x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 5. So how are we going to solve for that? So first, we have to substitute the variable to the given constant that we have here. So if x is equals to 3, then we substitute it to 3, and then y substitute it to 5. So it will become 6 plus 3 plus 5. And then add the first two following the PEMDAS rule, but here we only have addition as our operation. So we have to add first the first two constant. We have here 6 plus 3, so that will be 9, and then add the remaining constant. So we have 9 plus 5, and that will be equals to 14. I will give you more examples. Let's have the first one, 16 minus x if x is equals to 5. So here we only have to substitute x, the variable x, which is equivalent to 5. So that will become 16 minus 5, and it's simply 11. The answer is 11. Let's have the second one, r plus 4 if r is equals to 13. So we are going to substitute r with number 13. So that will become 13 plus 4, and which will be equals to 17. That's easy, right? Let's go and have 3n. So what will be the operation that we're going to use if we will be seeing this kind of expression? Very good. That's multiplication. So 3 will be multiplied to 11, since n, the variable n, is equals to a constant number 11. So that will be 3 times 11 equals to 33. Let us have this one. This is division. So we have y divided by 5 if y is equals to 15. This will be easy, right? So that will become y, or 15, divided by 5. I'm sorry for the typographical error I have here. So 15 divided by 5, that will be equal to 3. Let me change that for you. Alright, then let's proceed. Let's have more complex examples. Let us have the first one. We have here 8d plus 6d if d is equals to 6. So just the same thing. We're just going to substitute the variables to a given constant number. So that will be 8 times 6 plus 6 times 6. Following the PEMDAS rule, we have to first multiply. So let's multiply 8 and 6, that is 48. Then 6 and 6, which is 36. Then let's add 48 plus 36 equals 84. Good job. Let's go to the second example. 3r plus 7r minus 8 if r is equals to 6. So just the same thing that we had a while ago. Let's substitute variable r to the given constant, which is 6. So 3 times 6 plus 7 times 6 minus 8. Again, we are going to follow the PEMDAS rule. Let's start with the ones with multiplication. So we have 3 times 6, which is 18, and then 7 times 6, which is 42, and then bring down minus 8. So we have 18 plus 42 equals 60 minus 8 is 52. Now let's go to the third example. We have here 4 minus 2c minus 5 if c is equals to 4. Let's solve for that. So we also substitute c. So that will become 4 minus 2 times 4 minus 5. So first, we have to multiply. 2 times 4 is equals to 8. And then let's bring down the other constant here. So 4 minus 8 minus 5. Now let us subtract the first one. So 4 minus 8 is equals to negative 4. And then subtract it with 5. We will be getting negative 9. Next is 9 plus 4 divided by s, or 4 over s, minus 2s. And then s is equals to 2. So that will be 9 plus 4 divided by 2, since s is equals to 2 here. And then minus 2 times 2. So let's solve first for the division and the multiplication. So we have 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Now let's bring down 9. So that will be 9 plus 2 equals 11 minus 4. That is equals to 7. If you still have more questions, don't forget to ask me in our messenger classroom, or you can look for some of your questions in our book, or you can browse the internet. And yeah, that's it. So for our sit work for today, we have this one. Just write this in your notebook, solve for it, and then we are going to check. Thanks.